Hey everybody, Mark Shepard here, and this is day 3 of my big challenge to take what I've learned in the crypto world and teach it to my children and to my family and to those of you out there who are also seeking to find a vehicle to transform their kind of wasted value, money that you might normally spend on going out to dinner or whatever, money from your garage sale, whatever it is, all those coins you've been tossing into those jars. So take that money that you won't miss if for some reason you lose it, because there is risk involved, and take that money, convert it into Bitcoin and other cyber currencies, and then use that money to build value and to grow your wealth, and to do it in a way that's as smart as possible. There is risk involved. This is not financial advice. This is what I am doing. So with all that said, if you like what I'm doing, please make sure you subscribe, and there will be more to come. And as always, my why is I want to create a steady source of income so I don't have to use my energy to try to raise money for my music, right? So that I can support myself and do the kind of music I want to do without any strings attached. There's no record company. I can do exactly what I want to do musically and creatively and artistically, and eventually that will make money as well. But I'm using this as seed capital. I'm using whatever profits I make to reinvest, as well as to do some new music projects. I'm about to release a new CD. I'm about to mix a live concert that I did back in November of 2016, and I'm using this process to raise money so that I can hire the video guy that did the video back in November. I need to pay him to edit it, right? So all of those things will help my music career, but that's maybe a 10-year project. I don't know, 5 to 10 years. And I need the money now, and I need it in ways, I don't need it, but I want it in ways that will enable me to do what I want to do. So today I've decided I'm going to buy a little bit of Bitcoin because it's trading in a narrow range, and we have the hard forks hopefully behind us. There's still some confusion in the market, so I'm just going to buy $20 or $40, maybe $50 of Bitcoin. And I will then teach you guys how to convert it into other things as we go. So I'm looking at the daily chart here on goldprice.org, which is where I love to see the charts. And I usually just kind of go through the different charts. Here's the hourly chart. You can see it's at the bottom of a range. So it's a bottom of a range here. Make my mouse a little bigger. And it tends to want to break out of ranges, but there's support. There's price support around this 2680 area. So this is the 30-minute view, and here's the 1-minute view. So you can see it wants to move. So I'm going to go to Coinbase, boom, and I'm going to buy, you know what, I'm going to do $50. I'm going to buy $50 of Bitcoin, see if they'll let me do it. The other day I bought some, but they were kind of holding things. I'm just going to confirm the buy. Boop-a-doo, and then go visit the dashboard, and it's not in my portfolio. Oh, I guess it is. Instant. Boom. All right. Look at that. Bought Bitcoin. $52. Wow. Things have sped up a little bit, because it used to be I had to hit refresh in order to have it show up in my Coinbase. And so we'll hit refresh again. Great. Okay. So now I've bought Bitcoin. The next step is to send that to my wallet. All right? Because I don't keep money here on Coinbase. I may build it up to a couple $100, but then I move it to my wallet. So down here I have my Exodus wallet, And that shows you what I have in my wallet. It shows you I've got $67 of Bitcoin because I've been moving my Bitcoin into some other things. I have some Dash. I have some of this new thing called EOS, which supposedly is a Ethereum killer. But I'm told that there are no EOS tokens and that this is really tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. So I put $100 into there to see what happens with it. Okay, I've got some Ethereum because I think Ethereum's going to move soon. I got some Litecoin. And I am now going to go to my wallet and I'm going to go up to Bitcoin and I'm going to hit receive. Okay? And so, by the way, if you want to send me Bitcoin, here's my Bitcoin address. and you could just send me some Bitcoin if you feel like it. I know you won't. And I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go over here to Coinbase and I'm going to click on send. And here's the email address or the Bitcoin address. I'm going to pop that in there. And the amount that's in my Bitcoin wallet is this amount. I'm just going to turn it into US dollars because my brain is still US dollar trained. So I'm going to move $50, right? We'll call it $50 US dollar, and just send funds. Boom. So there's little fees. You got to confirm it. Boom. The send is complete on Coinbase's side. Now, this is Bitcoin. Sometimes it takes a while to show up in your wallet. You got to not freak out about that, okay? So it has not shown up in my wallet. Oh. Is that it, or is that something else? There it is. So it has shown up, but it's pending because Bitcoin, there's a whole process, and this is what all the excitement has been about with this hard fork. And the fact is that Bitcoin is becoming so popular that it's taking longer and longer for the system to confirm all, there's like triple and quadruple confirmations that have to happen. All right, that's my understanding. All right, so it's now going into my Bitcoin wallet, and it says it's there. Let's go to my portfolio, see if it shows up. Yeah, there it is. So I got some Bitcoin in my portfolio, and it's still pending confirmation. All right, so that's it for today. I want to keep it short. I'm going to be making some videos about what we're going to do next soon, and so in the moments that I bought it, it's just gone up almost, certain number of dollars. But let's go back to the day. Right? So for me, I can look at these 1 minute things and see what's the momentum, right? And there's a lot of green here and not too much red. So for me, on a minute to minute basis, like where's the momentum right now? Because I just try to buy it when it's down. I don't try to find the bottom. And right now, I'm buying Bitcoin and then moving it to some other things because it's kind of trading sideways. If Bitcoin suddenly started making some big moves, I would do something different. So every day, what I love about this is every day there's a different kind of a challenge. And if you are an introvert like me and you kind of like this kind of stuff, this is a godsend because as an introvert, sometimes our income generating ability is limited because we just don't want to be around people that much. I love people, I just find it exhausting. My particular neurology, my creative musical neurology is not suited to be around a bunch of people. And the more energy work I've done, the more healing I've done on myself, the more I have to be careful about having healthy boundaries. So if you are like me, you're a musician, an artist, a healer, and you're in a business that you love and it honors your deepest core self, yet it's not the most viable financial thing in the world, like music isn't at the moment, you might want to check this out. All right, so that's it for now. Mark Shepard over and out. The Hypnosis of Money. This is day 3 of my kind of mini challenge that I'm giving myself to put my money where my mouth is, to explain what I'm doing, and also the mindset behind treating your money as if it is an extension of your life force and ultimately energetically, we want to expand our energy field. We want to clear our energy, and we want to heal ourselves. And the financial piece is so important because so many of us have financial wounds. We have low self-worth. We have things people said that kind of stuck in our unconscious minds and have been holding us back. And it's time to break out because we are entering some pretty interesting financial times. And it's time for you to take charge of your finances and to possibly educate yourself and take action and get out of the standard banking system, which, trust me, people say, oh, Bitcoin that's not safe, is it? It's not guaranteed. What if the internet gets shut off? Well, trust me, if the internet gets shut off and you go to your bank, you will not be able to get money out because everything will be off, right? So it's time to educate ourselves and to take action. I learn best by doing. I research and then I put stuff into action. I've done this all my life. This is how I've learned, how I taught myself to play guitar, how I taught myself to write songs, how I explored healing and energy work and hypnosis and neurolinguistic processing or programming, timeline therapy, all these different things that I've done and practiced over the years, ultimately has all been about self-healing and about how I can use what I've learned to help other people like you. And hopefully we can each send ripples out into the world. All right? So that's it for now. I will stopping now, and I will get off. I will see you guys on the inside. Please subscribe. Please like. Please share. Please pay attention because in the next days, weeks, and months to come, I'm going to be showing you what I'm doing. You'll see my mistakes. You'll see my successes. And hopefully you will join me in this adventure and we can help each other. All right? So that's it. Mark Shepard, over and out. Boom. Cowabunga. Shazam.